Alright guys, so welcome back to Invest with Crents, and I'm back at you again with some news regarding Sundial growers. So some news just came out today and I feel like this is promising news and can help Sundial growers go up in share price in the near term. But before I get into this video, if you could please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That subscribe button should not be red, it should be grey, because you don't want to miss out on these latest buying opportunities. And also hit that notification bell to get those latest videos once I post them. So I did tell you guys about Alpine Food Technologies at $2.30, and today Alpine Food Technologies closed at $4.61. So that is an 100% return in just a couple of weeks for those of you that did get into this play. And I also have a free Discord, the link is below in the description, and it is also down in the comments below. And just 2 days ago, I told my Discord members about Cassava Sciences, ticker symbol SAVA. And Cassava Sciences 2 days ago opened at $30. And I told my Discord members that this was a good price to get in. And that day alone, Cassava Sciences rallied 141% and went from $30 all the way to $74. And the following day as well, Cassava Sciences opened at $60. And I told my Discord members, even though the stock is up 100% in a day, this is still a good price to get in. I would get in at $60 as the stock is going to $100. And guess what happened? Today, Cassava Sciences rallied from $60 all the way to $87.95. But that's not the best part. After hours, Cassava Sciences is up 38%, up to $122. So we're at $122 right now. So that is 4 times your money in just the space of 2 trading days right there from this call alone. 2 trading days, you have quadrupled your money right there. So you don't want to miss out on these buying opportunities. We're all here to get into these plays early and make money together. I'm here to show you guys these plays before they do pop off. So that is the benefit of joining the Discord. Come and join the community. It is a very nice community out there. And I have buying alerts every single day. So let's get into this video about the news regarding Sundial growers and why I feel Sundial growers can go to $2. So the news today is that Pennsylvania governor makes budget pitch for legalizing recreational cannabis. And it says here, Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf, as expected, has made legalizing recreational cannabis one of his administration's top legislative priorities this year. And it goes on to say, Wolf highlighted recreational marijuana in his budget proposal Wednesday and mentioned the urgency given adult use legalization in neighboring New Jersey and the legalization push in New York. And as long as recreational cannabis is the hot topic, we will continue to see all the cannabis stocks rise in price. Plus, it makes the bill more likely to pass the House. And it further says, now as our neighbors move toward legalizing recreational marijuana, we cannot afford to be left behind. Wolf said in a news release laying out his legislative plan. And Pennsylvania's Republican-controlled Senate is seen as the biggest obstacle to legalization. And this will be massive news if this is overcome. And I do feel like when this hurdle is jumped over, we can see another spike in all of the cannabis stocks, as it makes the bill very, very likely to pass the House. So yesterday, I said to you guys that when we see that $120 mark, this stock could break and reach higher highs. And it did today, it reached $1.34. And I said that I'll be taking 25% off the table once the stock breaks $1.20. And it's always good to take profits, because when you take profits, it means that you can't be at a loss regardless if the stock does fall down. So the stock did drop a bit after into the 110s, and also when you do take profits, it allows you to buy in at a lower price if the stock does fall. So I picked up some more shares at cheaper in the 110s, and I also locked in some profits as the stock fell from $1.34 all the way to $1.20. And this is why I believe profit taking is important and risk management, because some people do believe that the stock will keep on running and running and running. However, some people are not aware of the technicals that can cause a stock to fall afterwards. So this stock was getting very hot and was due to fall. So this is where you have to think the stock has run up a lot. This is why I should take some profits, because the stock can fall. And if the stock falls, at least I've locked in some profits, so I am not at a loss when the stock falls. And this is how you have to think in the stock market. You can't get too greedy, and you can't keep expecting the stock to go up forever, especially with a stock like Sundial growers, which just has such a massive run and just did an offering as well, so the shares are a bit more diluted compared to the other penny stocks. So this stock is not going to run 100% in a day like you see with the other stocks. even if we do get big news, the stock is not going to do that 100% run in a day. So it's good to take your profits and get it at cheaper price when the stock does fall down. So also you have to put the pieces of the puzzle together. So they eliminated their debt last quarter. They just raised $74.5 million from a shelf offering, and this now gives them around $615 million of unrestricted cash, which they can now use freely to acquire other companies. And also Sundial Growers has closed above $1 on 3 consecutive trading days now, so it has 7 days to go in terms of closing above $1 to prevent being delisted. And especially with this lockup period where they can't do any more offerings until March, this will be very, very useful, as the offerings do drive the share price of stocks down. However, now that they can't do offerings, the share price should hold up for the next 7 consecutive trading days. So I feel like they will prevent being delisted, which will add another boost to the share price and give investors more confidence in Sundial Growers. And although the shares are a bit more diluted now from the last offering, it is the most easily manipulated cannabis stock out there. So as I've mentioned, upon any news, this stock will jump the highest. We will see this one provide the biggest return. This is why a lot of people are heavily invested in Sundial Growers. It is the most easily manipulated cannabis stock out there, and you've seen a lot of people starting to buy heavily into the stock. The inflow has exceeded the outflow with the stock, and I feel like it will continue until the stock does hit that $2 mark. So that is my update on Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL. And for those of you who did enjoy this video, if you could please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities. Remember guys, to take profits where you can. Don't get too greedy with these penny stocks. It is still a penny stock in the penny stage, so you have to trade cautiously. Don't expect the stock to fly in one day. It will take a while to get to $2. You just have to hold steady and be patient and take profits where you can, so you can rebuy at a lower price, or just to book in them profits in case the stock does have a bad day. You can't time the market. You never know what's going to happen in the market. We saw what happened last week with GameStop and AMC. The whole market was red. This is why it's important to take profits, because when you did take profits, you could buy back your shares at a lower price and then profit on top of a profit, which will just make you more money. So we're here to maximize those gains. We're not here to lose in the stock market. We're here to make as much money as possible, and I feel like it will be a good year. So again, do join the Discord. Link is in the description and also in the comments. Again, hope you have a good day. Hopefully it's a good day for Sundial Growers, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.